Reality is stranger than dreams. And that's why you've arrived at Fantasy Nest. A world where secrets hide, and every story holds a whisper of truth. We welcome you to a journey unlike any you've taken before. Here, we don't ask for likes or subscriptions. If the story touches your heart, your finger will click on its own. Have you ever wondered that we are slowly forgetting everything that made us human? We used to talk face to face. Now we text, hiding behind screens. We used to wonder. Now we just Google. We've traded effort for convenience, but that convenience might cost us our very identity. Technology is helping us. It answers our questions. It saves our memories. It connects us to the world. But right there lies the danger, because the more machines do for us, the less we do for ourselves. 1. The more we depend on Google, the weaker our memory gets. 2. Constant phone notifications break our attention span. 3. When machines do our work, we stop thinking. And what about the machines? Do they suffer? They don't get tired. They don't forget. They don't feel. If anyone is losing, it's us. If we don't act now, soon we'll be left with weak memories, empty emotions, and no control. Just machines everywhere, and forgotten humans. There's still time to reconnect with ourselves, to think again, to feel again. So, what did you think of today's story? The forgotten humans? Have we truly forgotten who we really are? If there's a question in your heart, or a secret you carry, tell us